Do you know what's the easiest topic to talk about in English?
Mm, food? Shopping?
No, your life, because nobody knows your story better than you.
True. And do you know what's even more fun? Talking about your friend's life.
Uh-oh, I feel nervous now.
Don't worry, Ali. Today, I'll ask you about your life, and you can ask about mine. Simple questions, easy answers, and a lot of fun.
Okay, friends, let's start. Just remember, if Sana tells you all my secrets, I'll tell you hers.
Deal. So, Ali, let's start with you. What time do you usually wake up?
Honestly, late, around 9 or 10.
That's late. No wonder you always look sleepy.
Hey, I'm not sleepy, I just have resting, tired face.
Okay. What do you do after waking up?
First, I check my phone.
Ugh, bad habit.
I know, but it makes me feel alive.
And what about breakfast?
Tea and biscuits, quick and easy.
You call that breakfast? That's a joke.
Okay, my turn. Sana, what time do you wake up?
Around 6:30.
Whoa, so early. Are you human or superhero?
I'm just a normal person who likes mornings.
And what's the first thing you do?
I make my bed, then brush my teeth.
Of course. You're too perfect.
Not perfect, just organized.
And breakfast? Please don't say biscuits.
No, bread, egg, sometimes fruit.
See, that's why you always have more energy than me.
So, Ali, if you could change one thing in your daily life, what would it be?
Maybe wake up earlier.
Good choice. And eat real breakfast.
Okay, I'll try. And what about you?
I want to use my phone less.
Finally, something we both need to fix.
Yes, we're not perfect, but we can improve.
Friends, see how simple this is? We just asked each other about our lives.
Yes, and you can do the same with your friends. Ask about waking up, breakfast, habits, easy topics.
Remember, don't worry about mistakes, just speak.
Talking about your life is the best way to practice English.
Thank you for joining us today.
See you in the next episode. Bye.